welcome to my new channel, Lorving Vibes. I'm Isabel Johnson and today I'm gonna show you how I made my mermaid nails. Today I'm starting with my nails ready to apply color. If you want to see how I take off the old gel, check out my last video. I will link below. Let's start! I want to apologize. On this video, I tried new settings with my camera and a few shots are not focused. We start putting a layer of our primer. This makes the surface of your nails more porous and helps the gel to stay longer on your nails. Now a layer of the base. We cure for 30 seconds in the lamp. The colors we're going to be using: Midnight Purple and Baby Blue. First, I'm choosing 3 nails in purple and 2 in blue. We will do 3 layers and each layer will be cured for 30 seconds. If you notice, I only did 1 layer of purple on my ring finger because it is the nail I'm going to put the Mermaid Scales on. I needed a little bit more light than the others. For a mermaid effect, we're going to use a layer of Galaxy Malva, an effect polish. Its effect will change depending on the color base that you are using. And purple Mermaid Scales. To glue our scales, put a layer of the polish. Then, with the help of the back of our number 4 brush, we're going to grab a little bit of the polish and a scale. One by one, put it on your nail. Be careful not to put them too close to the edges because you won't be able to seal the nail completely. On my index finger, I'm just doing half of the nail. Follow your heart to decorate your nails. Clean the edges of your nails of any extra product. We cure for 30 seconds. Now, on the Mermaid Scales, we put a coat of base. Make sure to get all the edges and the tip. We cure for 30 seconds. Then we put a layer of a top coat and this time cure for 60 seconds. Now we do the same on the next hand. To finish after curing the coat, clean your nails with pure acetone to seal the gel. Ta-da! You have mermaid nails! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more.